Hello, it's tutorial time, and today we are learning how to make a low bun bridal hairstyle. So the first step is to tie up the hair at the nape of the head, that's at the back of the head, and make sure it's quite tight and it doesn't move around. So I'm using an elastic band with hooks because it's quite easy and you can get it in any online store. Then I'm going to take a piece of the hair and wrap it around the elastic band to cover it up. This one too must be wrapped around tightly so that it gives you an excellent look at the end of the day. Alright, so the next thing to do is to attach my bun maker or pad. Now the size you use determines how big your bun is going to be at different sizes, and now I've already cut it into two, so you're going to use a bobby pin to hold the hair tightly to the bun maker. Then I will wrap it up, then I will now attach my bun maker to the hair. Now if you are doing it on someone's head, they will be weaving underneath it, so you will have a fine grip. But because I'm using a mannequin, I'm going to use quite a lot of pins to hold it down. You have to ensure that the bun maker is attached firmly to the hair. If this is your first time on this channel, my name is Abiodun, and in this channel we make tutorials and videos on hair, makeup and everything in between. So if you have not already subscribed, please do so. You will not regret you did that. And then hit the notification bell so that you can get a notification anytime a video is uploaded. So now my bun maker is firmly attached to the head. So the next thing I'm going to do is use my hand to spread the hair over the bun. I want to use the hair to cover the bun. You can see that the bun is already taking shape. Now it's just to perfect everything and make it neat and beautiful. So firstly, I'm going to use my hand to spread the hair, ensure that there's not too much hair in a particular place. Then after this, I'm going to use a comb or a brush to smoothen it out and make it very, very neat. If you enjoyed this video and you were able to learn something, please give it a thumbs up And please don't hesitate to share it with your friends and anyone you know that this video will be helpful to. And please don't forget to subscribe if you have not already done so. And if you have any questions, just drop it in the comment section and I'll be sure to attend to the questions as soon as possible. And if there's any tutorial you'd like me to make, also drop it in the comment section and I'll work towards it.